Welcome, everybody. I got a new video for you. It's about the basics of real estate investing. Please subscribe to my channel. All the cool kids are doing it. And with that being said, let's get into the new video.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about the basics of real estate investing. Real estate can be an excellent way to build wealth over time, but it can also be a complex and confusing world if you're new to it. In this video, we'll cover the basics of real estate investing, including what it is, how to get started, and some key terms and concepts you'll need to know. Real estate investing involves buying and owning a property with the goal of generating income and/or appreciation over time. There are many different ways to invest in real estate, from buying rental properties to investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or crowdfunding platforms. If you're interested in getting started in real estate investing, there are a few things you'll need to do. First, you'll want to do your research and learn as much as you can about the different types of real estate investments and the market conditions in your area. You'll also want to set goals for yourself and decide what type of investment strategy you want to pursue. Once you have a plan in place, you'll need to find the right property or investment opportunity. This might involve working with a real estate agent, attending real estate auctions, or looking for properties online. You'll also need to secure financing for your investment, either through a mortgage or through other means. There are several key terms and concepts you'll need to be familiar with if you want to succeed in real estate investing. These include cash flow. This refers to the amount of money you make from your investment property each month after all expenses are paid. Appreciation. This refers to the increase in value of your property over time. Equity. This is the difference between the market value of your property and the amount of money you still owe on your mortgage. Leverage. This refers to the use of borrowed money to invest in real estate. Leverage can increase your potential returns, but it can also increase your risk. Cap rate. This is a measure of the potential return on your investment property, calculated by dividing the net operating income by the property's value. Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth and achieve financial independence over time, but it's important to approach it with caution and do your research. By understanding the basics of real estate investing, you can make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!